Hi, welcome back to Kind Finder channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted voice recording on MacBook. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Have you ever accidentally delayed your voice recordings from your Mac hard drive? Worry not because you come to the right post video. In this video, I will show you how to restore, how to recover your deleted voice recording on the MacBook. So it's very simple. First of all, of course, you can just open your voice memos, and here I will try to delete some recording like this. Let's say you just accidentally delete your voice recording. It's disappear, right? And also this one. And you want to recover it. It's very simple. You can just open sidebar on your voice memos, but you can just hover the cursor to your sidebar here, and you'll find there is an option recently deleted. You can just select on that. So here's all your deleted voice recording on your MacBook. You can just choose on the voice recording that you want to restore, or if you want to restore all your voice recording, your deleted voice recording, you can just select on recover all. But if you only want to recover some of it, maybe for example, you want to recover this one, you can select on that, and you can hover your cursor to here, recover, you can just select on that. And then you can just select on recover recording. And also this one, recover recording. So now let's go back to all recording menu. So here's your delayed voice recording back to your main recording audio. It's very simple, right? So that is how to recover, how to restore deleted voice recording on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!